La 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 la. La 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 la.
What is leadership? What is the best way to measure leadership ability? Hi friends, I am Sadaqatullah Hassani. Today we are talking about what is leadership. Leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. Leadership is not about a title or a designation, it's about impact, influence, and inspiration. True leadership cannot be awarded, appointed, or assigned. It comes only from influence, and that cannot be mandated. It must be earned. Influence, the art of getting others to follow your lead. Influencing is not a one time event, but a continuous process. Even a driver in an organization can be an influencer. Even your kid can be an influencer in your family. To be an influencer, you don't have to be at the top. Leadership guru John Maxwell highlights influence as the second law in his book, The 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership. Maxwell provides 7 factors that determine your ability to influence others. 1. Character, who they are. 2. Relationship, who they know. 3. Knowledge, what they know. 4. Intuition, what they feel. 5. Experience, where they have been. 6. Past success, what they have done. 7. Ability, what they can do. The one way to measure leadership ability is influence. You can influence people across the world. How to Win Friends and Influence People is a self-help book written by Dale Carnegie. Published in 1936, over 30 million copies have been sold worldwide. Dale Carnegie provides 3 fundamental techniques in handling people. 1. Don't criticize or complain. 2. Give honest and appreciation. 3. Begin to see things from the point of view of others. Think twice before you speak, because your words and influence will plant the seed of either success or failure in the mind of another. If you want to improve your leadership skill, expand your circle of influence. Here, 9 best ways to influence other people. 1. Give them what they want. 2. Make others feel important. 3. Connect with emotions. 4. Empower them. 5. Respect other people's opinion. 6. Be a leader, not a boss. 7. Show sympathy. 8. Build connections. 9. Listen attentively. Thank you.